Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is Aethryck's Death is Absent.
Finnish duo formed by lone members Gull and Exile in the winter solstice of 2016. Aethryck have proven to be quite prolific, as this latest album is already their fifth full length, with 6 lengthy songs spanning 43 minutes. The duo shows a flair for keeping things interesting without moving too far from largely orthodox black metal tendencies. Vocals are consistently haggy and full of witchy rasp, grim and uncompromising. Yet, these two show a knack for building a huge sound with big booming drums, aggressive double pedal workouts, and sweeping grandiose guitar solos, proving this duo to be the standout in a genre crowded with competition. No production credits are listed, but one would be remiss not to mention the expansive cinema-like arrangements and their knack for building crescendos and track after glorious track.
It's not all 1,000 miles an hour blast beats either. Take a cut like Midwinter Masks, easing into a smart mid-tempo pace with a blinking arpeggios sparkling over deft percussion, moving into an airy processional pace around the 3-minute mark, adorned by dramatic guitar noodling. If there is such a thing as a typical Aethryck track, the album opener may fit the bill, the 8+ minute epic, The Fire That Sires the Sun. Tearing out of the gate at warp speed with dramatic keyboard and guitar melodies, dancing this way and that before settling into a slower tempo for the verses, adorned with a gorgeous piano melody, which really soars against the powerful vocal rasp on display. The ebb and flow of this track demonstrates the band's signature sound, taking time to stretch out with hooky guitar solos and synth interludes in a dazzling display of power and grace.
Impressive stuff considering how the band works so well within the genre confines, yet defies them with orchestral, adjacent melodicism, and superior production. Plus, take a look at that album artwork. Grab a copy of the vinyl, as all the lyrics are included. They're suspiciously absent on Metal Archives, as well as descriptions of who plays what.
Bummer.
Can't
Anyway,
see their faces. They're just robed black. There's no faces. We don't know.
At any rate, this song is called The Fire That Sires the Sun.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.